say a big hello. Hi, Lenka, how you doing?
Hi, Jeff. Hi, everyone.
How's
I'm
things
doing
up there
all
in
right.
Sydney town?
Sydney's good. I just had dinner, so I had to sort of rush that a bit because we were running a bit late here with the family, but all good.
Okay. Sunday
I'm feeling a
roast?
bit under the weather, so that's not good either. I'm hoping it's just,
Well, I
something
know
light.
that's not because you drank too much scotch last night, so
Definitely not. No, I don't drink
no,
any alcohol, so
I know that.
that's not going to be happening. Oh,
What's coming
dear.
up for the week, mate? What can we look forward to?
All right, let me share my screen. It will stop yours, that's fine. This one here. Okay, so what I'm looking at this week is GBP-JPY, and here I'm looking at a decision around this point where the price broke above the channel, tested that top of the resistance, and came back. So here I will be looking to see whether the price comes back to the top of the channel to retest it to go short. Otherwise, if it pops back up above that channel, then I'll be looking for a retest and possibly going back up long to retest that top resistance. So that is what I will be looking at on GBP-JPY. At the moment, I'm not really sure where that's going to go. The next currency pair that I will be watching is USD CAD. And here we've had price close twice above that previous level of resistance. So on the 4-hourly, I will be looking for price to either come back down to that horizontal level and see if there is going to be basically just reversal to go back up long. Otherwise, if it comes below, then I would be looking for a break below and then retest of that level. Now, this may take a little while, maybe around this point would be the best, which is probably at least a few days away. So that's sort of the time frame that I would be looking at there. But overall, that is still in an uptrend. So looking to see if that's going to stay that way or if it's going to come underneath. The next currency pair I'm looking at is Euro AUD. And Euro AUD, I'm looking on the higher time frame. It's had the double bottom, it came up, but there is a trend line that is just being touched here. So I'm looking to see, is this going to continue going up and above that with the retest there? Or is this actually going to hold same as previously and come back below? If it does come down, then I would be looking for price action below, either a double top here or a lower high, something like that, to see if then I would be looking for short opportunities there. And the last one I'm looking at this week is Euro GBP. And Euro GBP, likewise, has broken above that line. So now on the 4-hourly time frame, just looking for a pullback. If it comes back and retest that level, looking for long. Otherwise, if it's just a false break and comes straight back below, then I would be looking for a retest on the underneath that resistance line, and then looking for a short after that. So those are the 4 currency pairs that I'm looking at this week.
Cheers, Lenka. I noticed in that lot that 3 of them are not related to the US dollar, which of course has been ruling the markets for some time. And is that on purpose or is it just a chart thing? You're pretty much about charts, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm just technical analysis. So whatever looks good in terms of the price action, whatever's the closest, that's what I present. Because I look at 10 currency pairs, but some of them they're nowhere near. So yeah, these are the sort of ones on my watch list that I think would come up, the soonest, I guess.
Have you got a favourite? We can pin our hopes on for the week, or they're pretty much all the same?
Yeah, I'm not really sure that I have a favorite. The only thing I'm looking at is the correlation. So GBP, JPY, if that goes short, then the others are in the opposite direction in terms of correlation. So then if these three go, then I need to manage the risk. If all of them are setting up, then reducing the risk. If anyone is planning to take all three, that's basically going to be going, multiplying the risk in the same direction. But in terms of favorites, I don't know. I like USD CAD. It is my favorite to trade. But, I was looking at short underneath here. That didn't happen. So I'm not sure at the moment.
I'm a massive fan of dollar CAD short. It just will not set up. But that's okay.
No. Yeah.
One day it will, and we'll be rubbing our hands together. All right. Maybe not this week. We'll see.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lenka.